KDL is a non-asset logistics provider. We specialize in transportation management services that is powered by our leading-class technology that ultimately saves and enhances our clients' financial performance. The benefits of working with Dagostino is twofold. Number one is convenience. Number two is organization. From the beginning of the program, Dagostino had appointed a project manager to work alongside with me. That project manager explained the entire facet of the program to me, and then in addition to that, every one of your specialized technicians also would walk through with my technology team. They explain everything that they were doing before they move on to the very next phase. The project that DES was handed was a challenging one. DES was involved in helping us with cabling, with setting up our network infrastructure, setting up our security, giving us telecom equipment, as well as setting up all the telecommunications, wireless internet, all the multimedia outlets that we have on display. We're a business that really believe in face-to-face meetings. We host our clients as well as vendor partners. So whenever they come in, we want to be able to have a display that welcomes them. And then in addition to that, we also have the weather broadcasted hour by hour, as well as the traffic going downtown to Pittsburgh or to the airport. We believe it's very useful information for them. From a display standpoint, we also want to be able to push metrics out there for our employee base, especially anything pertaining to customer service. From a phone standpoint, we want to be able to broadcast and push out information on number of phone calls coming in, the average wait time a customer has to wait, the average length of call that a customer is on the phone with our customer service agents. Every bit of that information would help us better enhance our customer service. Our employee lounge consists of 3 different TVs. There's actually a specialized area that's primarily for playing games. So during breaks, we would see our employees watching their favorite TV shows, and then sometimes you'll have a few competitive guys that want to play Xbox. One of the cool things about our security system is our Genetec Security Center, which is an application that you can find on your cell phone. On the weekends, when the building is on lockdown, if there's anybody that enters a building or what have you, we will get a push notification on our phone apps. And then in addition to that, we can always, anytime that we want to be able to monitor what's going on with the outside of the building or anywhere that there's camera coverage, we can look on it through our phones. Being a third-party logistics provider and being in a very, very competitive environment where there's constant turnover when it comes to employees, we're very glad that we partner with DES because you guys had equipped us with the best equipment. You know, our employees are extremely happy with the TVs that they have, with the wireless coverage that they also have, and ultimately it serves and it provides them and it adds to our value in becoming an employer of choice here in Pittsburgh.